I'm looking at the viewfinder because I kind of look cute. Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Phonts. Today for you I have a super, I'm not gonna lie, I did a middle part, and with this neutral glam I'm kind of feeling like a Kim K vibe. It's a Kim K moment, but that wasn't the intention. I just really wanted to use makeup that I haven't been using as much as I should have, mainly being this eyeshadow palette. I'm about to film another video, so I figured I might as well record myself getting ready. And this was that collab with Scholl and Hush, which I know Hush is like dead now, but I still have the palette and I'm very happy that I do. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, keep watching. This makeup look gives me more so like, it's still the holiday time and I know I'm a bad bitch. I gotta show my fam that I haven't seen for months or years that I'm a bad bitch, but like neutral. But like I couldn't stay away from the glitter because I mean, how could you not? So that's the vibe we're working with. It's a vibe. It's a slay. And if you're wondering, this top, it's from Missguided, but I had it for like years. And that's all I have to say for you. That's all I have to say for right now. So please enjoy. I hope you like the video and I will see you in the next clip. I think we're doing good. Hey you guys. I probably already did an intro looking much better than I do right now. The last video I did was a super extra smoky holiday makeup look, and now I want to do something that's all pretty and glam. So I have my brows on. We have to clean them up. My mirror is behind you, so that's where I'm gonna look. I think a bee just hit my window and it's November 23rd, so why are there still bees out? That going. I feel like this makeup look is going to be so pretty. I don't want it to be as dramatic, but it's definitely going to be sparkly. That's the premise. Okay, so I have two, oh my god, they match. I have two palettes that I'm going to use. I have my Sephora Pro Warm palette, and this I feel like didn't get the hype that it deserved, but I know now you can't get it because it was like through Shop Hush, which is kind of weird. But this was that Scholl palette. Y'all, I used it the other day and I was shook. Oh, I also burned my nail off a little bit while I was doing my hair, so. But I haven't used this one for a while, and then I started using it again. I was like, oh, married to this, okay, I'm not letting her go. But I just want to use a different crease shade, so I have my favorite palette here, so let's do that. Warm brown above the crease. I'm gonna take a warmer brown in the crease too because she has so many gold shades in that palette. I'm gonna mix up warm brown and orange. It's like Thanksgiving or whatever. I'm gonna take oh, there's a matte nude shade. I'm gonna take the shade Prenup from Amber's palette and just pack that along. Yeah, I like how that looks. Okay, pack that along that highlight area, and then I'm gonna blend out. I like to kind of just put it on there before I do anything to it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take All Natural, which is her dark shade. I kind of want to use the black in this palette. We'll see. I'm getting another idea. I'm putting that along the outer lid area, outer corner, but I'm bringing it in, so. And it's like the perfect neutral brown. I think what I really have appreciated about this palette is that I can get the most extra glam, sparkly, glittery look and be ready like super quick, but it doesn't look like I did my eyes super quick. Like, I don't know, I'm just really obsessed. Now that that's on, I'm going to take, I like to use a more synthetic kind of brush for these shades. Not that one. A more synthetic kind of brush. Which gold do I want to use? Which gold do I want to use? There's, I think I'm going to use bankroll is sending me, okay? What about maxed out? I don't know. There's so many options. And I'm gonna go in with bankroll first, and then we'll see if I want to add anything on top. And I don't have to spray my brush, so be ready to get shook. I'm going to mix it. I'm gonna use the same brush and go over it with maxed out because this is starting to look too much like a look I just did. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. And because I get fallout from this, which it's so sparkly, I could not give less of a fuck, I'm gonna take Self-Made, if you have this palette, and I'm gonna do my inner corner. Oh my god. It's kind of like a mixed metal eye. Love it. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on liner and lashes, and then I'm gonna speed up my face with you, so give me a second. I'm back. I think we're good. I'm prepping the skin. We're gonna hop into my foundation routine, and yeah. I don't know if I have anything to talk about at this point, but we just gonna roll through it. Okay, base done for the most part. We're gonna go on to lower lash line. Y'all already know I always put nude, so that's what I'm gonna grab. This one is by Essence, but I have to sharpen her. It's so creamy, so if you have one of their eyeliners, I don't suggest sharpening it to a full point because it's just gonna, you know, dull out really quick. Back to eyes now. I really want a smoky lower lash line, and I want to use the black in the palette because it's so nice. The palette has not failed me yet, so oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do this. The black is called Splurge, very fitting for Amber, and I'm only going about halfway and then I'll blend it out, but I can't do the whole thing with the black. It's just too much for me. Here we go. And I'm gonna take one of the more neutrally brown shades in this palette. I think this one will be good. And I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna try not to tear the eyes. I'm gonna go in the inner corner with, I'm gonna take Self-Made, which is a goal, a vibe, an ambition, a mood. Love it. So now we're gonna dust away the bake, and I'm gonna look at the viewfinder. This is that Maybelline one that I barely use now, so. Lips, let's use an OG lip for me. Let me just take off that. An OG lip combo, Cork by MAC. Then I'm gonna take Dolce K from Kylie. And then Naked, right? From Anastasia in the center. And then I need a gloss. I'm gonna take Oyster Girl by MAC. This is like the official bad bitch gloss, okay? Ever since Amma was saying that she used it, I knew I had to get it. And when I found it, kept it close.